Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Python is available and then fetch its executable path. Open a terminal or command prompt, run Python version or pi-3 version to confirm. Once confirmed, run Python c import sys, print sys, executable to print the full interpreter path. On Mac OS/Linux, use which Python 3 or which Python as a quick locator. On Windows, use where Python. These steps tell you exactly which binary you're invoking and why knowing that matters for packages and scripts. Next, inspect how Python finds modules and which folders are active. Run Python c import sys, print sys, path to list search locations. This explains why imports sometimes fail. Make sure to echo your path, echo $path on Mac OS/Linux or echo %path% on Windows, so you see directories search for executables. If you're using a virtual environment, activate it and repeat the executable and sys path commands, because virtualenvs change both the interpreter path and module search order, which matters for reproducible environments. Finally, verify companion tools and resolve conflicts so everything runs predictably. Run Python mpip version to see pip's location tied to that interpreter. That prevents installing packages into the wrong environment. Use which Python or where Python to find multiple installations, then decide which one should be first in path and reorder or uninstall extras. If a path isn't found, install Python or update path. On Windows, you can also use the Pi launcher to explicitly select a version. If problems persist, recreate a virtual environment to isolate issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.